Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on swipe down for notifications panel option in Samsung S22. So right now, to open a notification panel, we have to swipe from the top of the screen. And when we swipe wherever else, we have our app screen. But there is an option that allow us to open our notification panel by swiping anywhere on the screen down. So settings, then home screen, and here it is, swipe down for notification panel. What does it do? Open the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. So as you can see, now we can swipe anywhere and our app panel is swipe up. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.